Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Allow me to introduce myself before. My name is Sugiyarti. I am a nursing lecturer under the Pediatric Nursing Department at the Poltekkes Kemenkes Tanjung Karang. I would like to explain you about my research findings entitled Increasing the Mother's Comfort and Preferences through Diagonal Kangaroo Positioning in Supporting the Brain Development of Premature Infant. The background of my research is bonding attachment between mother and infant in the early period of life play an important role in development of the brain and mental health of the child. Upright positioning during kangaroo mother care as the routine intervention in perinatology room is not possible for face-to-face and make eye contact between mother and infant. We get sitting position for at least 1 until 2 hours, and mother had a tendency to use her arms to hold the baby, so that the process of attachment and bonding of mother-infant is felt to be less optimal. So the position of kangaroo supported diagonal flexions or SDF needs to be applied to improve the health status of the infant and mother's comfort in the implementation of KMC. The next is research objective. This study aims to identify the effect of applying the kangaroo position of diagonal on the mother's comfort and mother's preference. Research methods. These RCT experiment research involved 31 pairs of mother and premature infants. Data was collected using the Kangaroo Position Comfort Assessment Questionnaire that had been carried out the validity and reliability test by researchers. Mother's preference data is done with an open-ended question interview. Then mother's comfort data are analyzed with priority tests. The next, respondents are divided into two groups. The intervention group was given the diagonal kangaroo position, and the control group was given the upright positions. Interventions are carried into two sessions for at least 1 hour per session. Finally, what's the finding in this study? Based on the table 1, it is known that there is a significant difference in the average comfort of the mother in the measurement between the intervention group compared to the control group with p-value 0.005. And from table 2, we know that the majority of respondents prefer the diagonal position in the implementation of kangaroo mother care, which is 74.2%. And there are some reasons for choosing a diagonal position in this study. Here, skin-to-skin contact that occurs during KMC triggers the release of the hormone oxytocin, which affects the attachment behavior. Experience at the beginning of life affect brain development, like brain structure, regulation of the nervous system and hormone stress, and also affects to mental health in newborn. The conclusion is the kangaroo position of diagonal support the creation of better comfort and becomes mother's preference in doing KMC. Bonding attachment that are formed better are expected to support more optimal brain development and mental health, especially in premature or low birth weight infants. Thanks for your attention. Hopefully it is usable. Wabillahi taufiq wal hidayah. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.